Om Namah Shivaya. Welcome back. In today's lecture, we will learn about Patanjali's Yoga Sutra or Ashtanga Yoga. Okay, so the classical yoga viewpoint follows a strict interpretation of Yoga Sutra. Okay, so Yoga Sutra was given by Patanjali, and classical yoga basically based on the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Okay, and there are 8 components staged collectively referred as Ashtanga Yoga, the 8 limb path to mystical union. So the Patanjali give the Yoga Sutra. In Yoga Sutra, Patanjali give the Ashtanga Yoga, which is a um, 8 limb path. Okay, following are the 8 limb paths for the classical yoga. So the first is Yam, second Niyam, third Asana, fourth Pranayam, sixth Dharana, seventh Dhyan, and the final step is Samadhi. So it's go in step by step. Okay, it's a step by step process which Patanjali suggested. In his Yoga Sutra, he also mentioned this word Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Okay, it's in Sanskrit, and basically the meaning is yoga is restraining the mind from taking various forms. Okay, so the chit is mind, form is vrittis, and nirodh is restraining. Okay, restrain. And what is saying basically that it's just yoga. With yoga you can stabilize your mind. Okay, and you can control your mind, because your mind, you will think millions of thoughts in a day. Millions of thoughts come in your mind in a day. So how to control that? So you can control that with the yoga. Okay, so first step is yama. Now what is yama? These are the 5 virtues or restraints that governs our relationship with others and the world. So our relationship with others and the world, how it should be. Yama tell us that how our relationship should be with the world and others. Okay, so first point is ahimsa. What is ahimsa? Ahimsa is non-violence or non-injury. We should not harm anyone, we should not hurt anyone. So this is teachers. Okay, ahimsa, it is called ahimsa. The second virtue is satya. Satya means truthfulness. So you should always speak truth. It's tell you that you should always speak truth to everyone. Okay, the third is astya. Astya is basically non-stealing. You should not steal anything, and you should not do any harm to anything, right? Anyone. So it just tell you that you should not steal. The fourth is brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is godlike conduct. Brahmacharya is basically to follow celibacy. That you are following celibacy, it is called brahmacharya. And the point is why it is important that follow celibacy in yoga, right? So basically we can say like I'm a microbiologist also, so I'm a student of science. So the semen which produce in your body, so it is very powerful, right? And there are many studies then that it's the pure energy, it is your life force, right? It is your life force. So if you can control that, you can become you can follow celibacy, then you are using this life force, you are giving it a different direction. Okay, you are using this energy to create something more important. Okay, so that's why they say that you should follow a celibacy path also, right? And to gather more energy, you will be more rejuvenate, right? And you can use this energy in the more productive way. your mind will work faster, you can control your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions and everything if you can control this energy, because it's pure life force. Okay, then last is aparigrah. And what is aparigrah? Aparigrah is basically non-clingingness. So non-clingingness with what, right? Non-clingingness with, like, it can be from money, like you shouldn't cling from the money, you should donate also, right? Don't just gather it, donate also. Or it can be any person also, right? It can be anything that you love, like your car, your bike, your house, any worldly possession, okay, that you have. You shouldn't be attached to it. Okay, so removal of attachment, that is aparigrah.